Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to 3D print QR code. We start by copying the link from my Instagram page. We copy that. Then we go to Gen QR code. There is a lot of options here, like URL and text, email. And you can save it as SVG or STL or like anything like what you want. So we will pass the URL there. There is like few options what you can use. That, for example, what kind of you want. Do you want it like square, round? Like there is a lot of option, and I will stick with that. And also what kind of shape like you can to use. There is also bot frame, so what you can use. There is many options. So I will choose that, scan me. There is also about logo, so you can put Wi-Fi or YouTube, or you put whatever you want. So I will use it without logo. Also you can choose colors. Also you can use this template. So we will choose it as STL, and here there is two options. You use it without base or with the base, and I will choose it with the base. So I will use it for keychain. So 100, maybe it's too big for me. I will choose it 70. Then here it's 1.5 and base 2. I think it's good. No magnet need. We don't as STL. So we go to Fusion, go to Mesh, Insert Mesh, then we choose our body, click OK. So then we go to Modify, and we try to turn it from mesh to solid. So we convert mesh. So we click on the body, OK. So now it's solid. Here we can see there is 4 edges. It's out, so we try to make fillet that we can keep it in same. So we go fillet, F for shortkey, and we choose these 4 corners. Let's see. Let's go 3.5. That's okay. And 3.1. I think 3.1 is good. So we click OK. Then I need to create a hole. So because I'm using for keychain, so create sketch, that, and we project that line. Then we go for circle, for circle, and we choose the middle, and we create circle there. So let's go to 0.5. I think it's okay. Finish sketch. We click on that circle and we use cut. Okay. So we just save it and we send it to the printer. Save our mesh, okay. So now we send it to the printer, and when we get ready, we try to scan it and we try to check if it's working. So we click, check that. So it's directly to Instagram profile. So we can put the keychain there. And now it's ready.